One of the challenges with this build was that I couldn't have a window in this bedroom, and of course I wanted ventilation and light. So a roof light was the perfect solution. But of course I couldn't have any old roof light. So after some extensive research, and I mean extensive research, I went for a roof maker one for many reasons. So let me save you lots of time and tell you why I made that choice. Firstly, it's always a comfort to buy British-made items, so I loved the fact my roof light was going to be handmade at their factory in Leicester. This means you get quality assurance, which is why they can offer a 20-year unit seal warranty. Well, what's not to love about that? If you need bespoke sizes, you'd usually pay a fortune, but that wasn't the case with these guys. So what I went for was a flat hinged opening roof light, and at the touch of a button, what I'm getting is plenty of fresh air and natural light because it opens remotely. I've also got a remote controlled blackout blind for when I want lions. Who am I kidding? I've got a 5-year-old, I never have lions. Talking of light, this is so important to me. So one of the other reasons I chose this one is because there's no chunky frame blocking out the rays or the view. So I can lie back and watch the clouds roll by. It comes triple glazed as standard, which is obviously important for security reasons, but more crucially for thermal performance. And actually for the glass geeks amongst you, it offers UG values as low as 0.2. Now, although I'm house proud, I'm very lazy when it comes to cleaning windows. So the fact this has easy clean glass is going to save me some elbow grease. And trust me, I don't have very greasy elbows. I'll be completely honest, I would not know what to expect when it comes to seals. So it was an added bonus to learn that their unit seals are 80% deeper than industry standard. So there you have it, a transparent guide to choosing your roof light. Transparent, get it?